I'm Dr. Maggie Aldousany. I'm an associate clinical professor in the Department of Kinesiology at the University of Miami School of Education and Human Development. If you see yourself on the field assisting an athlete who's experienced an emergency sports injury, helping them recover, and ultimately getting them back to return to play, this is the degree for you. Our Bachelor of Science in Sports Medicine is designed for students interested in healthcare careers within the sports and wellness industries. is steeped in a legacy of sports excellence and tradition. We are not simply experts, but we fuel that expertise with a passion for helping athletes recover from sports injuries, or better yet, stay injury-free. You'll study topics like human anatomy, sports injuries, emergency response, therapeutic techniques, and injury prevention, and you'll do it in a collaborative environment that mirrors the real-world healthcare setting. Our students learn through a mix of classroom instruction, hands-on labs, and practicum experiences. That puts knowledge into action. Students interested in pursuing a career in athletic training can even complete a practicum with our own Miami Hurricanes. By the time you graduate, you'll have experienced opportunities to identify common sports injuries and pathologies and assess on-field emergencies. More importantly, you'll be ready to become an active team member in the recovery and performance of athletes and meet the prerequisites for many graduate-level healthcare programs. Whether you plan to jump into the workforce in fitness, wellness, or rehabilitation settings, or continue your education in graduate school within the field of sports medicine, you'll be well positioned to do so. Miami is a hub for global professional sports, teeming with opportunity for internships and mentorship. Whether it's football, basketball, soccer, baseball, tennis, or something else that interests you, our location offers a variety of athletic affiliations in a vibrant, multilingual city. I can't wait to welcome you into the program. And don't forget, it's all about the you.